I just received the fairings for the CBR600RR, and those are Chinese fairings, so they are not the best fairings that you can buy, but for the price, less than $500, it's okay. If you want excellent fairings, you need to buy OEM. So let's check it out. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, this is, yep, this is part of the front upper fairing. You see, this is very good, although it's not perfect. It's not perfect on, there are certain details that you can see on the paint. Not bad, not bad. So, I like this red. It's a little bit more orange than the normal CBR red. My CBR 1000 red color is like a little bit more, oh, it's a little bit more cherry. So we have those two parts right there. Oh, we have the tank now. Oh, we have another portion of the front of the upper fairing. Okay. There are some modifications that you have to do before you start installing the fairings. Again, there are certain details that you can see, but not bad, not that bad. I'd rather pay $500 for this. In the past, where they were like $350 for COVID. Now you pay $500. But originals you can pay in excess of $2,000. So that's a lot. This is not too bad. This is good. Yeah. The plastic, it's okay. Okay, this is, I believe this is the left side of the fairing. As I said, we have to do certain modifications before we install the fairing. Some people just get the fairings and start installing them. You have to do a couple things. You have to do a couple things before you do that. This side looks like, in the past they had the CBR logo, CBR stickers or decals on the side. That's a CBR, or Ninja or GXR. But now I don't think that they have it anymore. Maybe they got in some sort of trouble. So yeah. In the past, you can see. In the past, they had like the CBR and racing, something like that here. But now you don't see that. Something important is that as soon as you mount this, you have to wax it, and wax it few times, so to keep the fairing protected. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I can see a little bit of some stuff here, but no big deal. This is the front. Nice. Nice. Something that I do when I get this front is to look on the other side and see if this is painted. If this is painted, not a problem. But sometimes they don't come painted, and you have to paint it red. Actually, I'm gonna paint this because this is gonna paint a little bit. Gonna spray paint this in red because you see that when you are writing, you see that, and the paint that they use here is like just one. You just do it very fast. They don't care about the interior of the fairing. So I actually paint this in the inside because you will see it when you are in a motorcycle. Okay. In the past, they sell you the fairing, and this was white. And you go like, okay, and you will see that fairing was black or white or red or whatever color, or green, and then white in here. You knew that the fairing was not quality or OEM. It's not that I want to tell people this is OEM. Obviously, this is not OEM, but these clips are not as strong as the OEM. Something very important to remember. Looks good. Not bad. Again, in the past, for a CBR like this one, they had, I guess there was like 600RR here. They no longer they write any or put any decals on the motorcycle. Okay. Good. This is not bad. Not bad. I like the color. Well, this is the lower left side, I guess. Lower left side that is in black. Actually, this goes like this, lower left. Yes, it is, or not. Nope, goes like this. Yeah, like this. I guess, not sure. Or like this. Yeah, like this. It's on the right hand side. Yeah. Now for here, you have to put some protection for the heat. As I said, you should get some protection for the heat here. I got here some heat shield. This is actually very good. This is not that expensive. If the seller of the fairing doesn't give you or doesn't provide you with heat shield for your fairing, you can buy this for maybe $15 on eBay. Or there's another better alternative, that is this one right here. I like this one very much. It is heat shield. This is very good quality one, but you have to cut forms, especially where the header and the muffler get close to the fairings. That's where you want to put the heat shield, and that's very, very important to do. All right. So far, this is how the fairing looks right now. These are all the parts. I think that this red and black fairing looks good. It will look very good on the bike. Some people install the fairing in 2 hours. I take maybe 6 hours. So it is perfect. Always paint the inside of the upper cowling the same color that you have on your fairing. If this is red and this came on white, in white color, just paint it red. Black, paint it black. Because when you're sitting on the motorcycle, you will see that. Okay? So that means green, paint it green. Blue, paint it blue. Paint it same color that you have. So when you're sitting on the motorcycle, you see the color of your motorcycle, like the OEM's fairings that they come with the color of the motorcycle and interior of the fairings. Easy, no?